Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Sweatcoin to Venmo. As of now, you cannot directly transfer Sweatcoins to Venmo. Sweatcoin is a reward currency within the Sweatcoin app that is not directly convertible to traditional currencies like USD. Venmo, on the other hand, handles flat currency transactions. However, you can still indirectly benefit from Sweatcoin earnings by using the app's rewards and monetization options. Here's how you can do that. The first one is cash out Sweatcoin through offers. Sweatcoin allows users to redeem their Sweatcoins for rewards, such as PayPal cash offers or physical products. Occasionally, there might be offers that let you cash out your Sweatcoins in the form of gift cards or PayPal credits, which you can then use in Venmo. To do this, open the Sweatcoin application, navigate to the marketplace and check for any PayPal or cash reward offers. The marketplace button is just right here. Once you've redeemed your Sweatcoins for PayPal money or gift card, you can link your PayPal account to Venmo and transfer the funds there. Now, the second way to do this is sell your Sweatcoins. There are online communities or social media groups where users buy and sell Sweatcoins. You could sell your Sweatcoins to someone willing to pay in USD, which they can send you via Venmo. Be cautious of scams and only deal with trusted users. Look for reputable groups on platforms like Reddit, Facebook, or Discord where people trade Sweatcoins for real money. Agree on a price, and once the transaction is completed, you can receive your funds through Venmo. Now, third way to do this is use Sweatcoin's crypto options. Sweatcoin recently introduced a cryptocurrency called Sweat, which can be transferred to Sweat Wallet. While you cannot transfer this directly to Venmo, you may be able to cash out your Sweat tokens by converting them into traditional currency and sending the funds to Venmo indirectly. In summary, you cannot directly transfer Sweatcoin to Venmo, but you can redeem Sweatcoins for PayPal or cash rewards in the app, then transfer the funds to Venmo. Or sell your Sweatcoins to others for cash via online communities, or convert Sweatcoins crypto and use those funds indirectly with Venmo through various exchanges. So that was the simple answer to your question, that is how to transfer Sweatcoin to Venmo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.